soon, Junior.
Good morning from Nürburgring Boulevard. NLS 6 supposed to be happening, but as you might see outside, everything is fogged up. So qualifying hasn't taken place yet. It is right now 10:30. Hopefully it will be a 4-hour race at least. Ah, look, we're having a meet and greet.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, you brought friends.
All the racing drivers
Hey.
are besides you.
Yay. I'll be looking forward to the 2-hour race out of 6.
Or no race.
Or no race.
4 drivers, mate, half hour each.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Sprint race.
Looking forward to a coffee, mate.
Yeah, let's do that. If the girls only are gonna beat us, it's because they have a strong couple.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Well, give it a try.
This is better.
It is. I know.
Very good.
Special blend. Special blend for you.
Oh, danke, mein Bruder. What is it? Nice grip. Say special brand name.
It's gonna be hot, but
Oh, I'm not quite as like, what's the word?
connoisseur.
Yeah, I'm just, oh yeah, nice coffee, mate, cheers.
Yeah.
I bought a water afterwards.
Jimmy,
Yeah?
what does the fox say?
I can't remember the meme. It's too long, I'm too old now.
Why you brought UK weather with you?
I really tried to get away. Like, I did for one day, and then suddenly like I woke up like, Jimmy.
We had a heat wave and then like this happened out of nowhere.
Bad luck, Jimmy, continues.
Another update, by the way, the roller coaster, the ring racer, is being dismantled. The thing that hasn't run in 10 years, so I don't think we are missing out on much. But yeah. Jimmy, how does it make you feel that we cannot take our kids to the ring racer roller coaster now anymore?
Man, I went on that so many times.
Yeah.
It was such a good experience, especially when you hit the wall. That's my best bit.
Oh, nice.
I go by myself with only memories to hold. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. But were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew.
Is the car carring?
It's carring, but everyone else is carring into the fucking barrier.
Really?
Yeah, there's so many Co 60s.
Oh man.
Yeah.
So what did we do?
Right now we're P2, but we're like P2 on like a 919. And I think 840 is the pole right now.
So, here we are. Cars are driving again. We can see that way that the track is on the red. Eventually the track opened up, so qualifying is now finished. We had a very small qualifying session. As of now, we were P2 because there were lots of like crashes and code 60s. So I don't know if Manuel managed to put the car on P1. We're about to find out. So, but we will be racing today. So it's insane because we had massive heat wave. We had lots of sun the last couple of weeks, and today will still be projected to be like 26 degrees. And then all of a sudden you wake up, things like that happen. Just Nürburgring things. Good job.
Thanks.
Yeah. So we are P2 in class, but we're P12 overall. So just behind the P1 in our class. Unfortunately, Manny didn't have any clear lap. Had traffic, had I think one code 60 as well. So lost some time, but overall, quite good result. Hopefully the track will be dry for the actual race. It's very exciting. I love the livery on the GT3 Mustang. Nice. I guess some time to meet the fans and to have a snack. Banana is good, potassium, but I want to have something proper from Black Falcon Lounge. Fast forward to the grid. As mentioned, we are P2, but the craziest part is we are actually P12 overall. So just in front of us are a couple of cup cars. I think one GT3 car maybe. So we might have a top 10 overall finish if everything goes well. But you might never know how everything will go because there's also lots of cup cars behind us. Regardless, Steve is going to be doing the starts, then I'm taking over, then it's Manuel, then it's Jimmy. It's going to be 4.5 hour race because of the fog. It's kind of fogged up, but still going to have lots of fun. So they're going to do formation. We're going to do formation of snacks because Black Falcon Lounge is open and Momentum is preparing fantastic food.
Oh, better.
Slightly more than an hour left. Right now Jimmy's in the car. We are P1. We were about 2.5 minutes ahead of P2, but we had a massive code 60 on the main straight, so we had to do 60 kilometers per hour instead of 260 and above, so we lost 45 seconds there. The other two guys are also having very fast drivers, so they're catching up. I'm jumping in about 2 laps time, so I'll have a bit less than an hour driving time, unfortunately. 2 laps to go. I think the other teams have to do also one more pit stop, aside from us, also one more after that, because we've done some fuel savings management. I don't know, it's definitely a podium, but whether it's going to be P1, P2 or 3, at this point, I would rather have P3 over P2, because I'm done with P2s. P1 is nice, but stop. Yeah, it's a mess because we were like 40 seconds behind P1, and those are indeed the 40 seconds I mentioned to you previously that will last on code 60. Whatever. It's frustrating, but it's also funny at the same time at this point. Maybe next time or next year.